welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to try and fix a World Vision TV digital receiver that a neighbour fetched me down today to have a look at. It's not switching on, so watch the video, enjoy. If you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. Okay, see you in the video. It's a premium version, Reciever. Reciever means these digital TV receiver. We make the future premium. Apparently it's not powering up, so we're going to have a look inside. It's obviously been well looked after. I've even got the instructions, high definition digital receiver in English and Russian. Nice. Oh, there's a guarantee mark there. I've got the remote. There's the receiver. Put this box out of the way. It's obviously been looked after, so I don't want to destroy it. I'll put this. This is the unit itself. It's a bit like a Freeview in the UK. A digital terrestrial cable receiver. I've seen these before. Country of manufacture PRC, People's Republic of China, I guess, like everything else in the world. So it's still got its plastic on there. So let's have a look here. How do you get it thing apart? Ah, 2 screws. Let's try and remove them. Put them to one side so I don't lose the things. Funny how when you open these things you have 10 screws, when you put them back together you've only got 9. Oh, there we go. Put that case out of the way. So let's have a look inside this thing, what's going on. Well, so on immediate inspection, the thing that jumps out, I don't know if you can see this, there is a blown cap there. You can get it. Well, it's got a big rounded dome on it, you can get the angle right here. So that's probably the power, why it's not powering up. That culprit there, I can't see any others blown, I can't see anything else gone, but there's a diode there, rectifier diode. So I'll get to that. How do I get this out? Oh, that off there. Oh, that there. Another clip here. And, oh, there we go. Alright, so clipped in there. Okay. So pull that off. That's the front unit. That reveals our. Oh, there's the power, so I can remove that thing out of the way. I suppose we're to try powering it up, but I've already been told that it won't power up, so not much point really. It's connected in by. Is that a? Looks like we're going to have to remove all the screws. Oh, that's it. Oh, little standoffs there. Oops, I touched this one's dropping off. Standoffs there. Is that right? The standoff there. There's one, another one that goes in there. Okay, put that to one side as well. A closer look at this thing. Oh, they're soldered in connections actually. I thought, oh no, you can pull them apart. There we go. So it's half the circuit. So they've got the bit that does the tuning and receiving. So a close look at this here. Put my specs on. Oops, sorry for that. Can't see anything there. Can't see any more blown caps. That looks okay to me. We'll find out once we've done this bit of so I guess this is the input. So we've got the power coming in here, straight through to 20 volts coming in through this rectifier, which is okay, I think. Some diodes. What is that? I can't make out what that chip is. I can't see it. K1 4DGCQPN. No idea. It's obviously some kind of voltage regulator. And you can see here actually. I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but there's some browning here where it's been heated. And that's probably something to do with this blown cap here. There's a transformer, little inductor cap there, and the output cap, I guess. God knows why that blew. What is it? 1000 microfarads at 16 volts. So let me pause the camera and find a new cap to replace that one. Well, I don't actually repair things for a living. I only do this as a hobby and repair things for friends because I like repairing things and I like helping people. So if I do repair something, it's going to be repaired with recovered parts. So you can see I've got a recovered part here. It's 1000 microfarads, 16 volts, same one. I wanted to put a higher voltage in, but the cap would be too big, it wouldn't fit in the case. So I'll replace it with this, but I'm going to check the ESR of it first to see if it's okay. You can see the ESR meter here. Measure that at 100 Hz and see what comes up here. 0.1 ohms. Cool. 0.1 ohm. Beautiful. Beautiful little low ESR. Oop. So a bit of flux. Out it comes. A moment. We can get this on camera. That's that out of the way. So now to put this capacitor in place. Where is this? New one? Yep. That's the old one. There's the old one. The comparison. So you can see the caps domed. There's the new one on the left. So I'll pop that in. If you look on the circuit board here, I'll just point this out. If you look on the circuit board here, you'll see the negative side is marked here to help in replacing the capacitor. So the negative side on the capacitor is the one with the white stripe down it. Or a stripe down it. Let's put this back in here. So that's in place. Let's get a bit of solder on there and seal it in. And then we can switch it off and see if we get a result. So it's a new cap in place. Very nice. Trim the little legs a little bit here. You can see that. Oh, the legs need trimming actually, they're all a bit long, aren't they? So that should be good. The way to do it is to test it, to put it together again and have a look. Maybe it was just a crap cap, I don't know. So let's make that together again. There we go. So make sure nothing can short it out and plug it in and see if we get a result or a pop of smoke, whatever the case may be. I suppose I have to put the controller back on. Oop. So that's the controller in place. Let's see if we can get to... I won't see the digitalness because that's there. I don't really want to hold on to it when I switch it on because it might pop. Whatever caused that to pop in the first place might start to pop again. I don't want it in my hand when it does, if it does. So let's have a little look here, if I can get it to come on. Oh, we've got green. Oh, we've got lights there. Try to touch this because it is live. There we are, we've got on. Yep. Okay, let's power off. Power. Oh yeah, there we go. That's powered on, here we go. See, it's picking up whatever it's picking up. Yep, that's got it. So I'll switch it off and remove that. Now, when you're doing this, if you do this at home, when you switch it off, just make sure that these caps don't have any voltage in them before you start touching the circuit board, because that will give you a nasty shock, which is what you really don't want. So let's put this together again. So I'll switch it off camera and put it together again and see what happens. So just an interesting point before I put the case back on, I've got the circuit board and the screws back in now. There's an interesting point. You can see here there should have been a cap, an X2 cap probably. They didn't bother to put it in. They're cheaping out on parts. So as you can see, it's back together now. Everything seems to be working, although I haven't got a TV here to down here in this room to check it, but the channel seems working okay. It's powering off okay. Power it on okay. There we are, all fixed. So if you like this video, how to fix a World Vision Premium Digital Terrestrial Cable Receiver, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment if you like, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. See you in the next video.